Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair with a straightener. I definitely think when you're traveling you should take at least a straightener so you're able to straighten your hair and also curl your hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush my hair out. And you want to make sure when you brush your hair you start from the bottom and work your way up. Next, I'm going to apply some heat protectant and mainly focus it on the bottom ends. So I'm going to work with two sections. This section I'm not going to touch right now. I'm going to get started with this side. I like to start from the bottom section and work my way up. So from the bottom I grab a piece this big and we're going to toss the rest to the back for now. I'm using this Conair straightener and I have it in between 20 and 25. So I don't like the top to be all frizzy, so I'm going to start off by straightening the top half. Now to curl the end, I'm going to start halfway and pull it towards away from me. And when I do these type of curls, I like to alternate them. So we're going to grab another section of hair and straighten the top half. And since I'm alternating, this one's going to go inward. So we're going to start halfway and pull in and out. Straighten the top. And this piece is going to go away from me, so I'm going to start off a little higher, out, pull, and twirl. So I'm going to continue to do the rest of my hair and keep alternating each piece. Okay, so I've finished this side of my hair and I did alternate each piece. I like to keep the top straight and have the curls start halfway. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side and then do my bangs. Okay, so I finished the other side. If you do smaller sections, they'll be smaller and tighter. If you do bigger sections, it'll definitely be a lot wavier. So I did kind of like medium sections, so the curls aren't that wavy, but they're also not super tight. Last thing I'm going to do, since I do have bangs, is curl my bangs. And for that, I'm just going to put it on the setting number 5 because I don't want my hair to burn off. So that's how I curl my hair with a straightener. I hope this helped some of you guys and I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Also check out my Instagram and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!